So dear students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain the questions given on 23rd of that means just before yesterday examination is completed, JEE mains examination. From that examination I am going to explain few problems. So these questions are purely on memory based questions. Okay now. So these questions answers I am going to explain. So see the answers, they are very some problems are even though somewhat lengthy, the solutions are very easy. Okay, so definitely you follow this my class. These type of problems will definitely appear in your next 2 or 3 days examination. Okay, so let us start our class. Dear students, welcome to first problem. If the sum of the squares of the reciprocal of the roots alpha beta of the equation 3x square plus lambda x minus 1 is equal to 0 is 15, then 6 times alpha cube plus beta cube whole square is equal to. So very easy. So here one quadratic equation is given. So what is that quadratic equation? 3x square plus lambda x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay now. So it will have two roots, that is alpha beta, that also given in the problem. One thing is given, the sum of the squares of the reciprocal of the roots. That means what is given? 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square is equal to. How much is given? It is given 15. Then we have to find out the value of 6 times alpha cube plus beta cube whole square. From these two more relations also we can get. What are the relations? Sum of the roots is equal to how much? Minus b by a, that is minus lambda by 3. Product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to c by a, that is minus 1 by 3. Right. Now using these two relations, if first of all we have to find out the value of lambda. If you find out the value of the lambda, the problem is over. So from this we can say this is alpha square plus beta square by alpha square beta square is equal to 15. Okay now, so this is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times alpha beta by alpha beta square is equal to 15. Very easy. So this is equal plus alpha plus beta means how much? Minus lambda by 3. So this is equal to lambda square by 9 minus 2 times alpha into beta is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 3 plus by 3. This is equal to alpha beta whole square, that is equal to 1 by 9 is equal to 15. Okay now. So from this LCM is 9. So here you will get lambda square plus 6 is equal to 15. Okay, so this is lambda square is equal to 9, lambda is equal to plus or minus 3. So therefore, what is your sum of the roots will become? So substitute plus or minus 3 here, 3 will get cancelled, plus or minus 1 you will get. Sum of the roots is equal to plus or minus 1 and product of the roots is equal to minus 1 by 3. Very easy one. So you know alpha plus beta as plus or minus 1, alpha into beta is minus 1 by 3. So now what you have to find out? So 6 times alpha cube plus beta cube whole square. So this is equal to 6 times a cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube formula is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b whole square. Okay now. So 6 times, see here, alpha plus beta value you can write down plus 1 or minus 1. If you write down plus 1 or minus 1, for both the thing you will get the same answer. So for my I will substitute plus 1. Okay. So this is equal to 1 cube minus 3 times alpha into beta is equal to minus 1 by 3. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1 whole square. So this is equal to 6 times 1. So 3 will cancel, minus into minus plus 1 whole square. 1 plus 1, 2 square, 4 6 are 24. Therefore 24 is your right answer. Such a easy problem it is given. So I think this question will be answered by everybody. Everybody will answer, those who are preparing seriously for the examination. I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. So dear students, welcome to second problem. The remainder when 3 to the power of 2022 is divided by 5 is. That means we have when 3 power 2022 is divided by 5, we have to find out the remainder. Okay now. But one thing we can say surely, that is this remainder either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Any one of the possibility. The remainder is either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So if you observe the options are also, so the same numbers are given. Okay, so you cannot do any trial and error method here. Okay. So let it be quotient is Q, some quotient. As we know that the dividend, that is 3 power 2022 is equal to, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay now. That means if you are able to express 3 power 2022 as 5 into some integer, this is 5 into some integer plus the remaining part is your remainder. Okay now. For that, first of all, take this number 3 power 2022. Okay. This can I write down 3 power 2 into 1011. Right. I can write it as. So this is equal to 9 power 1011. Right. 9 can I write it as a 10 minus 1 whole power 1011. Right. It is a binomial theorem. That means a minus b whole power n expansion. So let us try to write down the expansion, that is 1011c 0, that is equal to into 10. The first term I will take it as a 10 power 1011 minus 1 minus 10 whole power expand also you can write down. So next term is 1011c1 10 to the power of 1010. Next term is 1011c2 10 to the power of 1009 minus so on. The last term is 1011c 1011 into 1. Okay now. Right, we know that the last term definitely it will be minus. Why? Because here 1011 is a negative number. For a negative number, the last term all will be coming in a alternate, plus and minus will come in alternate way. Plus, minus, definitely the last term will be minus. If you observe, except the first number, except the last number, in every number you have 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. You can take 10 common outside. That means 10 into some integer, 10 into some integer minus 1. Okay now, 10 into some integer minus 1. So 1011c 1011 is 1. So our aim is to express it as a 5 into something. 5 into something. For that I will do like this, 10 into some integer minus 1. Here minus 4 plus 4. Can I write add in? This is the idea that you have to get. Why? Because if you want to take as a 5 common outside, here the minimum value should be either minus 5 or plus 5 or plus 10 or minus 10 like that. Okay now, minimum value is minus 5 should come. Okay now, minus 5. That's why I added and subtracted 4 on. That is the idea you have to get. So this is equal to 10 into some integer minus 5 plus 4. So you can take 5 as common. So 2 into some integer minus 1 plus 4. So this is equal to 5 times some integer plus 4. So if you observe, I express 3 power 2022 as 5 into some integer plus remainder. Okay now. So what will be your remainder? 4. So 4 will be your answer. Okay now. The only thing you have to remember is adding and subtracting 4 there. Why you have to subtract? You have to write it as a 5 into something. So here 5 should come. 5 should come means here already 10 is there. Here definitely 5 should come. 5 should come means what? You have to subtract minus 4, so that add plus 4. So everything is very easy. Okay now. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. So dear students, welcome to third problem. The third problem is, if f of theta is equal to sin theta plus integral of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin theta plus t cos theta times f of t d theta, then the value of modulus of integral 0 to pi by 2 f of theta d theta. So if you observe, first of all, we have to find out f of theta. F of theta, you substitute, find out this f of theta and substitute here, we will find out the answer. If you observe here, sin theta is okay, very clear. Coming to the second term, you are integrating with respect to theta. You are integrating with respect to theta. That means the terms other than theta all treated as a constant, you can keep out of the integral. That means your f of theta is equal to sin theta plus, now you separate these terms here. So this is integral, one more step I will write, pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 pi by 2. So this is a sin theta into f of t d theta plus integral of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 t cos theta f of t d theta. Okay, now, right. So here I will do this as a, this is equal to sin theta plus, here you see f of t, you are integrating with respect to theta. So f of t is a constant, to keep it out of that, f of t integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin theta d theta plus, here also t and f of t, they both will be treated as a constant. Why? You are integrating with respect to theta. So t times f of t integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 cos theta d theta. Okay, now, so this is equal to sin theta plus f of t into, this value you can write down 0. Why? Because here sin theta is a odd function. Sin theta is odd function, therefore minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 odd function will become 0. We have one property, plus t times f of t, this is a cos theta integral sin theta. So this is upper limit pi by 2, lower limit minus pi by 2. So this is equal to sin theta. This whole thing will become 0. So this is a sin 90 minus of sin of minus 90. Sin 90 is 1 minus of minus plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So that is a 2t f of t. So what is it? What is your f of theta value? Sin theta plus 2t f of t. Now coming to here, so your problem is this. So integral 0 to pi by 2 f of theta value is this, that is equal to sin theta plus 2t f of t d theta, right. So sin theta integral, it is equal to minus cos theta, upper limit is pi by 2, lower limit is 0. So if you observe here, 2t f of t is a constant, you can take outside. So this is a 2t f of t. So what is the integral of 1? 1 integral is theta. So that is a upper limit pi by 2, lower limit 0. So if we observe, so this is equal to cos 90, this is equal to cos 90 is 0 minus of cos theta is 0. So this is equal to minus, you can take outside. So this is equal to cos 90. Cos 90 value is 0 minus cos 0 value is 1 plus 2t f of t. This is equal to upper limit minus lower limit, that is equal to pi by 2. 2 will cancel. This is 1 plus t f of t, of course pi you can write down under modulus. This total problem is in modulus. So your answer is this. What is your answer? Final answer 1 plus pi t f of t. Okay, now, so options are also given in various forms. Options are not available. Options are not available for this problem. So that is your final answer. Okay, now, so very easy thing. This problem is the only thing is you are integrating with respect to theta. That's why take the remaining terms outside of the integral. You will get the solution. So I hope that you understand this solution. Dear students, welcome to fourth problem. A sequence is in AP arithmetic progression with a common difference 1. And one relation is given here, that is sigma I runs from 1 to n AI is equal to 192. Sigma I runs from 1 to n by 2. That means n by 2 means half of the terms. That is A2y is equal to 120. Then find the value of n where n is an even integer. N is an even integer. So first of all, you try to expand this. That means sigma I runs from 1 to n AI 192 means what? First you expand it. That's first I runs from 1 to n means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so on. An is equal to 192. Yes, all terms are in arithmetic progression. We know sum to n terms. What is the sum to n terms formula? N by 2 into first term plus last term is equal to 192. Call it as first equation. Okay, now coming to second relation. So see the second relation. So that is sigma I runs from 1 to n by 2. So first substitute 1 here, that is equal to A2. Next one you have to substitute 2, that is A2, A4, A6 plus so on. The last term is n by 2. In place of y, substitute n by 2. 2 will cancel n. An is equal to how much? This is n by 2. An is equal to how much? 120. Okay, now. So if you observe, here it is given n is an even integer. So this is a even number of terms. From that you have taken 2, 4, 6, 8 so on, n even number. Okay, now. So that means these terms will be half of the given term. Why? Because even means what? You can divide the terms exactly into two halves. One half is A1, A3 so on, An minus 1. Second half is A2, A4, A6 so on, An. Okay, now that means how many terms will be there here? N by 2 terms will be there. What is the sum to n terms? N by 2. That by 2, that is first term plus last term. Last term is what? An. This is equal to 120. This is the second equation. From these two equations, we can find out n value. So from this, what can you say? From this, you can say this A1 plus An is equal to, so you multiply 384 by n, call it as one equation. From this here, n by 4. So if it is A2 plus An is equal to 480 by n, call it as one more equation. Okay, now. So we got A1 plus A2 here, A2 plus An. Now coming to here, it is given that this is an arithmetic progression. A2 at the common difference 1. With the common difference 1 means what? A2 can be written as A1 plus 1. Okay, now why? Because it is in A1, An, but it is in A2. I want to make change it into A1. This A2 can be written as A1 plus 1 plus An is equal to 480 upon n. Okay, now 480 upon 1. So what is A1 plus An value? A1 plus An value 384 upon n plus 1 is equal to 480 upon n. Okay, now. So you can multiply with n. So this is 384 plus n is equal to 480. Okay, so if you see here, n is equal to 480 minus 384. So therefore, n is equal to 96. So you add it 96, you will get 480. Okay, na? So very easy problem. This is the only we have to remember is these terms will be n by 2. Okay, if you know that, the problem is a very easy one. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to fifth problem. the domain of cos inverse of x square minus 5x plus 6 upon x square minus 9 whole upon ln of x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, now the problem is a very easy problem. The only thing, if you are you know the how to solve this quadrilinear inequalities, the problem will be very easy. First you see the numerator. Numerator is a inverse trigonometric function, that is cos inverse. What is the domain of cos inverse of theta? So the domain of cos inverse of theta is -1 to +1. That means whatever may be the value here, whatever may be the value that should be lie between -1 and +1. That is equal to -1 less than or equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 by x square minus 9 less than or equal to 1. Okay, now. So let us solve this inequality. So this is equal to -1 less than or equal to x minus 2, x minus 3 by x plus 3 times x minus 3 less than or equal to 1. So here x cannot be equal to 3. Why? Because if you substitute 3, what happens here? So 0 by 0 form you will get, okay, which is indeterminate. Cos inverse of indeterminate, you cannot solve it. That's why you can cancel this x minus 3 cancel. Okay, that is x minus 2 by x plus 3 less than or equal to 1. Okay, so let us solve this inequality. So this is x minus 2 upon x plus 3 is greater than or equal to -1. X minus 2 upon x plus 3 less than or equal to 1. Okay, now. So take -1 to left hand side, that will become +1. Take the LCM, that is x minus 2 plus x plus 3 by x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So this is equal to 2x plus 1 upon x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now coming to here. Take 1 to left hand side. So this is equal to x minus 2 minus x minus 3 upon. So x minus 2 minus 3 minus x upon by x plus 3 less than or equal to 0. Okay, now. So this is plus x minus x will get cancelled. So this will become minus 5 upon x plus 3 less than or equal to 0. So this is a second inequality we got. Now coming to here, denominator. In the denominator, what we have? ln of x square minus 3x plus 2. We know that our logarithm functions are defined only for positive real numbers. So that means x square minus 3x plus 2 strictly greater than 0. Okay, now what are the factors here? X minus 1, x minus 2 greater than 0. Okay, so see this, all the three inequalities, that is equal to, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. All these three inequalities I want to represent in a number line. Okay, now, so let us see the number line here. So this is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, now, so coming to here, what is the 0 of 2x plus 1? This is equal to minus 1 by 2. What is the 0 of x plus 3? This is equal to minus 3. Okay, now, so you know the sign scheme. Here plus will be there, here minus will be there, here plus will be there. Here what is there? Greater than or equal to 0. That means you have to take the positive quantities. So this will be your required solution set for the first inequality. Now coming to here. If you observe here minus negative sign is there. First x plus 3, what is the x plus 3? 0, minus 3. But so here minus 3 is there. The sign scheme will be different. Here minus will be there, this side plus will be there. So right side minus will be there. We want minus only, that's why. So your inequality, your solution set is this side. Okay, na? Right. Up to that over. Now coming to here. 1, 2. So this is equal to 1 and it is equal to 2. You know the sign scheme. Plus, minus, plus. That means it's a left side and here right side. So if you observe, what will be the common portion? what will be the common portion. If you observe, this will be the common portion. Here also, this is the common portion. Red, black, blue lines, where it is mixing. That is that. So therefore, what is the domain of your, what is the domain? Domain is given by, so here closed bracket 1 by 2 comma, here we are not taking 1, open bracket, union 2 to open bracket, 2 to open bracket 2 to infinity, 2 to infinity. Okay now. So if you observe here, x is not equal to 3, x is not equal to, so you should not take 3. If you take 3, it will be given, you will get a 0 upon 0 form. So that is equal to except 3, except 3. So this is your domain. So if the only thing is, the first thing, if you are able to solve the linear inequalities, the problem will be very easy. Okay now. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. So dear students, I hope that you understand all these problems in today's class. Okay. So with some more problems, and in the tomorrow's class also I am coming with a detailed explanation. Okay now. So all the best for your examinations.